How to extract without WinRAR or 7-zip. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how you can extract without WinRAR or 7-zip. Now before I teach you that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First of all, what you'll need to do is locate your compressed file or folder. So you can open up your file explorer or just go to the location of that very folder. So right here you can see this is a folder that has been zipped and compressed. So now there are different ways you can unzip this or extract this. So if you right click on this, you'll get an option to extract this. You can use WinRAR, it's available right here. You can see you can open with WinRAR, you can extract with WinRAR. There's also 7-zip which you can use if you have downloaded it. Now there's also your extract option, that is the default extractor or built-in extractor of Windows itself. So you can use this to extract it without using WinRAR or 7-zip. So depending on your file size, it can take some time, so you can still open it up. You can extract it from here as well. You can select all of these if you want, and basically all you have to do is tap on extract. Tap on extract and you can then choose a file location from here and then tap on extract again, and the extraction should begin. So there you can see it's extracting all the zipped folders, components, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. And there we go, there you have it, and that's it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button as mentioned, and don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, bye bye and take care.